Hello and welcome back to SaaS Pulse. Today we're reviewing a fantastic tool called Taja AI. I personally use this tool for all my YouTube videos. So Taja AI is an AI-powered platform designed to significantly streamline and automate the process of creating and publishing YouTube content, allowing users to generate everything needed for a YouTube video, including titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and so much more in just a few minutes. Their key features are AI generated thumbnails, video descriptions, and chapter creations, producing short clips from long form for YouTube Shorts, algorithm friendly titles and tags to ensure that your videos are properly optimized. And at the end of the day, this tool will just help save you a ton of time. So let's look at their home page, their pricing, and then we'll get into the actual tool where I can show you how to utilize this for your YouTube channel. This tool will allow you to publish YouTube content 10 times faster with AI. Once again, they mention post videos to YouTube 10 times faster, saving you 120 minutes per video posted. They have so far helped generate over 103 million views for their content creators, 420,000 videos optimized, and they have helped more than 87% more organic reach. Down here, once again, they mention exactly what this tool does for the user. And then down further, they have all the current top content creators that are currently utilizing their tool for all their videos. Down further, they do give you a 7-day free trial. If we were to come back up and go into the actual pricing, they have 3 different price points. For your starter, they have $105 a year plan, which is roughly about $8.75 a month. And for that, you'll be able to generate title generations for 48 videos, descriptions for 48 videos, chapter generations for 48 videos, hashtags for 48 videos, thumbnail concepts for 48 videos per month. And then also for their short generation, you could maximize 6 per video. So what that means is for your long form content, what Taja will do is they would create 6 clips out of that long form content video that has been uploaded onto their platform from YouTube. Their semi-pro plan, it is $288 a year, which comes to $19 a month, and then you get 144 videos across the board for the semi-pro plan. However, for their pro plan, which is $480 a year for only $40 a month, you get completely unlimited everything. However, the short generations is once again the 6 shorts per long form video that you have uploaded to their platform. Let's get into the actual tool so I could actually show you how all of this works. I'll see you in there. Here we are inside the Taja main dashboard. As you can see that you have a few options here besides your affiliate link that you could sign up for. Once you sign up, you have your option of adding your link to create your title, your descriptions, your chapters, your tags, and everything. And we'll get into that in a second. However, the other thing I do want to talk about really quickly is backlog boost. So backlog boost are videos that you've already posted through Taja. However, Taja, their algorithm understands that specific video or a few videos within your channel might need a boost because they probably haven't hit their target market or haven't reached the potential views that it could reach. So backlog will allow you to go back in and revive that video to ensure that you once again get the best views possible through Taja. So I just wanted to show you that one tidbit before I start going into the actual creation of adding a video and the process. However, before I get there, I just want to show you to the top left here, you have your managed channels, managed links and accounts, plans, affiliate, Facebook, and blog as well. And then any recent videos that you created will go right in this section over here as well as you have your channels that you could see that you have connected currently to Taja. Now, we're going to go into YouTube because I want to show you exactly how you're going to utilize this tool. You don't upload a video into Taja. What you actually do is you go into your YouTube and you're going to upload a video from here, which then you're going to link back into Taja. So let me show you how this is done. You're going to come in here, you're going to open up a video, you're going to upload it. There you go. This is a test video that I'm doing. So it's not something that I'm going to keep on my YouTube channel. This is just to show you how this tool works within your YouTube channel as well. So now that we have the basic, which is just the title, and Taja will allow you to change this as well. We will come through here. If you've uploaded a video before to YouTube, you would understand this process. It's very simple. You would just do a few clicks here, a few clicks there. And while you're doing that, YouTube is analyzing your video, confirming that there are no copyright infringements, and those sort of things. So currently it is being processed, but while it's being processed, I do want to go over all the way to the next step. So here is a very important step while getting your link. So this is going to be the link for your video, which you would need to add into Taja, but that's perfectly fine. We'll get into that once this finishes processing. When you're uploading a link into Taja, you do need to understand that your link cannot be on private. If it's on private, Taja.ai is not going to be able to properly access the video, analyze the video, and make sure that they get the tags and everything. They're going to actually give you an error message and ask you to either keep your video unlisted or have it as public. These two options will allow Taja to go in and analyze and create all the things for your video, simplifying the process and saving you tons of time. So it's still 10 minutes left to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause right now, and then once this finishes verifying, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the next few steps on how to utilize this within Taja. All right, so we're back. The video passed all the copyright. There were no issues, as you could see down here. So now once you have that processed and everything is done, you could either hit publish, which is fine. You don't have to. But what I like to do is I like to publish, and then what I'll do is I'll come in here and I will copy this link and then take it over back to Taja. And this is the process you should be doing. And then you would hit YouTube video, post your link right here. Now, here is where you could add any additional context regarding your video if you would like. What you could simply do is actually, you could come right in here and you can just copy this or copy it from your title space, which is perfectly fine, which I'm going to just copy up to here and then copy that. I'm going to go back. You do not need to add a context. It's whether or not you choose to do that. And I'll just do it because I'm going to show you how to utilize this tool. And then down further, you have your filter. Your filter is going to give you two different options from tone and language. If you're in the United States or just in general, it's going to, automatically get to English, but you could come in here and change it to any other language as they have through Taja. Now, you also have tone. So what type of video is this? Is it uplifting, clickbaity, professional, controversial, or minimalistic? I'm going to put uplifting and professional. As you can see, you have multiple choices as well. So now here is where the video will begin to optimize. I'm going to click one more time. There you go. So now what Taja is doing is now they're going into your YouTube channel based on the link that you've provided. They're analyzing the video. They're analyzing the channel for keywords, the brand voice. Now, if you are doing this for the first time, it's still going to go ahead and do that based on the current video that you're uploading. And as you have more and more videos uploaded through that specific YouTube channel, you'll be able to see that it becomes more and more specialized to your channel. So here we go. It's completed in a matter of a few seconds, and you have your transcript, you have your titles, you also have a viral score for your title, which is fantastic. You also have your thumbnails, which are automatically here. However, they also do help generate thumbnails through their AI system. And then down here, you have your titles, which sorry about that, which you chose up here. So whichever title you choose here, you could see that it will change it down here. So feel stuck, and then you have the feel stuck. But I'm going to go with the 100 for now, and then go further down. Now you have your descriptions, you have your chapters, you also have your tags. You have up to 500 tags that you could add per video. And I'm just going to add one more tag for my brand, for my channel, actually. There you go. So that's done. And then down here, you actually have your captions as well. You could toggle to generate thumbnails with or without captions in the image. So that's fine. And then over here is your generate thumbnails. Now this is going to be an AI thumbnail. This thumbnail up here is what it's grabbing directly from the video. But if you don't want to utilize that, you could just come down here, and Taja is going to actually generate usually about 3 thumbnails based on the video that you've linked to Taja. And it takes a few seconds. Once again, it's not a long process, and it'll create it. Now, once it does create it, you're going to be able to download it and then attach it once you get back into your YouTube channel. And I'll show you that in a few moments, not even. So once this finished, there you go. Look at this. So now you have all these new thumbnails, which are more engaging, which are more colorful. So now if you were to see and come to, say, your YouTube channel, and they have this as their thumbnail versus something like this, and look at that, it's so much better. It's more colorful. It's eye-catching. It makes you want to watch the video. So you could utilize any of these videos. I actually like the one in the middle a lot, so I'm going to go with that one. So now what you do is you click on the pencil, and then you don't need to click on the pencil, but if you want to click on the pencil, you could click on the pencil, and now you could come in and you could actually edit this further. You'll be able to change the background, upload your logo, add text, add curved text, however you would like to do that. That's currently in beta, but you could come in and you could also utilize that. So that's perfectly fine. If I want to come in, if I want to add my logo, I could just come in here and you'll be able to add your logo that way. Just want to show you guys really quickly how that works. And now if you want to add text, you could add your text from right here, and you get a few options here as well. Choose your font. They have a few fonts that you could choose from. Not bad. You have your colors. You have your background colors if you want to add a background color to your text. And then you have your font size. So if you want it big, it could be big. If you just want it a little smaller, it could be a little smaller. But you'll come in here and you'll add it this way. So there you go. And then you have these options as well. So which is fantastic. So here you go. You have your paragraph, and then let's just say I'm going to put my brand name in here just to kind of show you what it'll look like. And then here we go. You could choose your font here. You could make it capital. You could make it, however you want. And then here's your sizing once again. So if you want to make it really big, you can make it really big. If you want also the background to change, you could change the background. You could also change the alignment if you want. That's fantastic. You could bring it forward, send it back, bring it all the way forward to the front, or send it all the way to the back. So now if you're playing with your images and your background, you could change all of that right into Taja, which is fantastic. This is such a fantastic tool. I literally use this tool for every YouTube video that I post. I'm going to delete this just because I don't need this right now. And I'm going to go back. Or you could come right here and you could save this and you could download it. I'm just going to download it, and you have a few options to download as well. I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to use JPEG, and then boom, it's downloaded. I'm going to show you in a moment how to utilize that thumbnail you just downloaded. Let's go back. And now it's very simple. You'll just come right back down here and you see where it says sync to YouTube. Once you click on here, you'll get a few options. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. Doesn't matter, because now you're sending it back to YouTube with all the information. Me personally, I like to do it as public so I don't forget to do it as public later on. So I'll just do it public. And now it's going back. It's syncing the video back to your YouTube channel. And we'll have that option right here. So there you go. I have my YouTube channel here that I began the process, but now they took me right back. And now look at this. Look at this. My thumbnail is already here, which is fantastic. Now, if your thumbnail wasn't there, all you would do is come here and you would just change that, and you would just choose your thumbnail, which would be right there. So, but that's, you know, if you want to do that, you could do that. You don't have to, as you could see that they did it directly for you, which I'm going to cancel that out for now. But you could see here, you have your title, which you got from Taja. You have your description. You could also come in if you want to add to the description. You have your chapters, which is fantastic. So if you're doing a tutorial or a product demo and like somebody wants to find that specific part in your video, Taja's already helped you with that process. Imagine trying to do this painstakingly manually. It'll take time. Further down, where it is. Okay, here we go. You have your tags as well. So this is fantastic. You'll be able to automatically send all those tags that you had directly into your channel. And then that's it. You could now come in here. Your thing is on public already. So all you really need to do is pretty much, but because I'm doing this later in the time, you could actually come in here in YouTube and then you could schedule it. I don't want to schedule it at 12 a.m. Let's say I want to schedule it at 9 a.m. on September 1st. And then you, of course, have your time zone, which my time zone would be New York if I could find it. Oh, there it goes, New York. And there you go. So then you hit save. And it's done. Complete. So now if you go back to your content, right there, you have your video right there. So now let's go back into Taja, because I'm going to show you what you could do further inside Taja. Because as I mentioned before, you could create your clips. Well, Taja could create your clips, and I'm going to show you how to utilize that. So you see down here, which is next step, generate cutdowns. So here we go. I'm initializing this. This does take a few minutes if you've used Opus Clip or if you use Minvo. It does take a few minutes for to analyze your clips and to generate them. From what I've seen so far with Taja, it's normally under a minute, but of course, based on usage, that could change. So I'll come back to the video as soon as this is completed. You can see it's already at 20%, but I'll come back because I don't want to bore you guys with silence for the next however many seconds. So here we are, the clip's finished rendering. So here we go. Up here, it'll show you that they found 4 shorts from my long form video that I added. So these are the 4 shorts from the clip that I originally added, which was the long form clip. So now over here, you have a few options that Taja gives you. You have your virality score, which you could see that these would be the most likely videos to do really well on your channel. So that's that. You also have, let's go back to the top and kind of go over this. You have your titles for your videos. You have your hashtags. Once again, you have your titles, you have your hashtags, and then you also, once again, have the link that would generate, quote unquote, for that video. And then over here, you have all your tags for your that specific video. And then of course you could come back in here, you could change it if you like as well. So I'm going to save that as well. And then you could either regenerate or simply hit publish, and you could upload that to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to come in here, and I thought I saw a better score, so I'm going to go with this one. It's a 87%. And then I'm just going to do, I'm going to put my tag for my YouTube channel, and let's publish this. So similar to when we just added all the titles, descriptions, chapters, and tags, same thing is currently occurring as a short now, which is fantastic. So you don't have to go outside the tool. The tool has everything there for you for your YouTube. Now, here's the bonus. Taja.ai just released this feature where you could post your shorts to Instagram, your Instagram account, your Facebook page, and TikTok, which is fantastic. I haven't even connected those yet either, because it literally just came out about a day or two before I made this video. But you have these options, so that's fantastic. And then I'm just going to upload this to video, put this as public. There you go. And come in here. And there you go. It's been posted already because it's a short. So if we come in here and we go into our shorts, let me refresh that. There you go. Now we have the short for what we just created, which was fantastic. So it's right there. Here we go. And if we would take a look at it, that's your short. And you could just enlarge it so you can see that's what it's about. This has been a review for Taja.ai. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. This is a fantastic tool if you are serious about creating a YouTube channel and maximizing to the utmost potential. Taja is that tool that you need, without a doubt. Hands down, you need this tool. Now, if you do want to pick up this tool, of course, I have my affiliate link. I would appreciate it if you guys utilize that link. It allows me to continually give you these great reviews to ensure that you guys have the great tools for your business to ensure that your business thrives. Last thing I want to mention is if you did enjoy this video, or you go back and watch any of my other videos on my other channel, which this is going to be posted on, SaaS Pulse, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and your subscription will help me so much. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Ricky. This is SaaS Pulse. We will see you in our next video. Have a wonderful day.